All right, guys, guess what we got in? V8 twin turbo beast. Look at that. And then guess what we put on it? A full catback titanium exhaust by ECS Tuning. And talk about it was fun to install. It was fun to install. It took 4 hours because of these flex pipes here. If ECS Tuning is watching, move the flex pipes to here, please. Leave that as a pipe. It would be a lot easier on our lives if you guys move that flex pipe from there to here so we have a straight pipe that we can get to the bolts. Because you literally cannot get to the bolts. Other than that, everything else fit phenomenally nice. No problems, no issues. As you guys can see all the way back. Valves fit nice. Everything just fit clean, nice. We liked it. And then it's got valves up there on each muffler right there and right there. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna let you guys hear it soon. There's the tips out the back. One with a valve, one without. Same thing here, they'll adjust once we start it. There it is right there. And there's the full system that was on it. You cut it all into pieces. You see, even the flex pipe from Audi is a lot smaller, so it clears the bolts compared to the ones they have in there. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. First startup. Oh, that sounds mean. He likes it. You like it?
That is awesome.
That sounds clean. Here's sound decibels, guys. That's when valves close. Right at 98. 101. God, it's such a nice power to it. Let him back it out. Sounds phenomenal though. ECS Tuning. Do it again. Still got a sick sound to it. There it is. Let you guys hear on the inside. S6 Audi. Here we go. ECS Tuning exhaust. It was definitely fun to do, guys. 4 hours later. All because of the front piece. It's a pain in the butt, but it's okay. We got it done. That's all matters. Isn't that marble, man? That's awesome. Enjoy it, guys.